Today is day 2 of our family of 4 week-long dinner $100 budget project. It's Taco Tuesday. We're gonna make some shredded chicken tacos. You will need the following things. You will need the shredded chicken that you had from Monday night. If you think that is really gross, you can make new chicken Monday night. It'll be ready Tuesday. You need corn tortillas, Monterey Jack cheese, pre-shredded avocado. This is Greek yogurt. I use it as a substitute for sour cream. It tastes the same to me. Some purple onion, which you will use again later in the week. Some cilantro. And this is a really good super secret topping, is cucumber. And then you're gonna need chili powder and cumin. Get your chicken.
Okay.
Assistant?
Hello.
All right. Instead of taco seasoning, I use cumin and chili powder, okay? Because there's a bunch of weird stuff in taco seasoning that you maybe don't know about. Okay.
What?
Can you open that for me?
What do you mean?
I don't know, there's just stuff in there.
I'm trying to ruin tacos.
And then you just mix it up, okay? Do you smell that already?
You're kind of mashing it up.
I am, I'm mashing it up.
You're so violent.
Smell that.
It smells like taco.
Now what you're gonna do, all of your toppings are done. This took me probably about 5 minutes.
Just move them out, okay?
No, the camera's back here is why I'm moving them back here.
Okay.
Okay, then the corn tortillas. Did you know that corn tortillas need to be cooked? They are basically raw when you get them.
And I like corn tortillas over flour tortillas.
And me as well. All I do is I warm up a skillet. I take the corn tortillas. I lay them on the skillet.
No oil?
No oil.
No oil.
No oil, I'm just toasting them. Here's what I'm gonna do for kids, okay? For the kids, I am going to do basically a deconstructed taco, okay? Just gonna put some chicken on their plate. I'm gonna put some cucumbers. My kids actually like cucumbers. Avocado. Okay, and then what I would do is I would make a cheese quesadilla, okay? Do you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So like for little kids, I would deconstruct it. Because my kids aren't gonna eat tacos, but they're 3 and 4, you're gonna have older kids.
But if you put everything in, they can just take it in one time.
They won't. They just won't.
Really?
My kids won't. Yeah, they just won't. They'll be like, what's that weird thing, Mom? Okay, we're ready to build our taco. Put a little bit of chicken.
Wait. I don't have a plate. I'm ready to build.
I'm gonna build. I just put,
I know, but
I just
see,
put one
you
in
like
there.
to
It's
touch
not done
every
yet.
little thing.
This will be mine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of onion, just a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of cucumber. You can't go wrong with a taco, you know?
With the cucumber.
I know.
It's about the cucumber.
I know. I can't take credit for that. A friend of mine showed me that a couple years ago, but she doesn't like me anymore, so.
Yeah, you know what? Cut them off. The cucumber makes it fresh, like almost like light. You know?
Okay, so this is Taco Tuesday, all right?
Taco Tuesday, made it happen.
We're going to Wednesday now. Wednesday meal.